During the Great Depression, people didn't just survive, they learned to thrive with almost nothing. In an era of scarce money and limited resources, families relied on creativity, necessity, and good old-fashioned common sense to get by. Remarkably, many of the frugal habits from that time remain valuable today. To whether you want to save money, reduce waste, or live more sustainably, these Depression-era strategies offer practical, time-tested solutions. Today, we'll explore 25 powerful frugal living tips from that era. Wisdom that's even more relevant amid rising prices and financial uncertainty. So, hit like, grab a notebook, and let's dive in. 1. Use it up, wear it out mindset. Make it do or do without. That simple phrase captured the heart of Depression-era frugality. People didn't rush to replace items at the first sign of wear. Instead, they repaired, reused, and repurposed what